In this video, you will learn how to draw 12 different cute kawaii faces step by step. You can use these kawaii face ideas for drawing with your kids, for designing your own characters, or even for doing kawaii crafts. Welcome, I am Tatiana Dennis, and this channel is all about enjoying kawaii art, how to draw it, how to make cute products with your drawings, and how to monetize your creations. I also love to throw in my best tips and tricks for drawing digitally with Procreate and for drawing traditionally, so be sure to hit that subscribe button to get all the new videos I create. And if you are ready to draw right now, I have a free mini course which you can grab right here. I'll be drawing using a Sharpie pen and paper, so use whatever materials that you have on hand and let's draw some kawaii faces. Here's a really happy one with a big smile. And this is a classic kawaii face, and we'll make it extra cute with some cheeks. Now let's make a lovey-dovey face with hearts or any other object. And let's draw an angry one for contrast. This is so angry. This actually helps me draw. And we can draw a starry-eyed one. This is Mr. Cool Guy. And this is another classic and a peaceful one. Can give it some little cheeks too. And let's do a big-eyed one. And let's do an animal face. A mustache going. So cute. I'm actually gonna do a bonus 13 face because I don't like finishing on a sad face. So let's do another one. This is my all-time favorite. Well, there you go. How to draw 13 cute kawaii faces. Which of these faces is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want more kawaii tutorials, I have a totally free mini course which you can grab in the link below this video. I hope you had fun drawing these kawaii faces. I sure did. And I am so excited to share the next video with you where I will talk about how to position these different kawaii faces on your character. I'll see you there.